Hello students, myself Pushpendra Kumar from Sri Digambar Institute of Technology Dosa. In last lecture we discussed about topic type of cement in which we discussed 12 type of cement. Today we will discuss type 13 which is waterproof cement. Students, today we will discuss waterproof cement. In this cement, non-sulfonable agent like calcium and aluminium are added for water tightness. इस सीमेंट में नॉन सल्फोनिएबल एजेंट जैसे कैल्शियम और एल्यूमिनियम वो क्या करते हैं अपन ऐड करते हैं, किस लिए? वाटर टाइटनेस के लिए. दिस सीमेंट इज मोर इम्परमेबल. ये जो सीमेंट होता है ये मोर इम्परमेबल होता है. इसका जो यूज है स्टूडेंट्स वो रिजर्वोयर में, वाटर स्टोरेज टैंक में, स्विमिंग पूल में और रिटेनिंग वॉल में जो है इसका यूज करते हैं. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट एंड लास्ट टाइप ऑफ सीमेंट मैसनरी सीमेंट. मैसनरी सीमेंट type 14 which is masonry cement. Reference code of this cement is IS 3466. Next, initial setting time of this cement is 90 minutes. Final setting time of this cement is 24 hours. 24 hours. Expansion in soundness test which is 10 mm. Next, compressive strength. Seven days 2.5 MPa and 28 days 5 MPa. Compressive strength is checked by 7.06 centimeter cube. And use of this cement usage. This cement is used for masonry or plaster work. Masonry or plaster work, not used in concrete work. This cement is not used in concrete work. Not used in concrete work. Okay students, these are the 14 types of the cement. And now we revised once all the type of cement. Let's start. First one is ordinary Portland cement. Ordinary Portland cement. Use of ordinary Portland cement in general condition. Where durability was not required in special type of work such as sulfating area. Okay. Next, rapid hardening cement. Rapid hardening cement costly than OPC, approx 10%. More water required and more shrinkage as OPC. सीमेंट में जो है OPC के कंपेयर में जो वाटर रिक्वायर्ड ज़्यादा होता है एंड श्रिंकेज भी ज़्यादा होता है. और जो C3S है जो अर्ली स्ट्रेंथ के लिए रेस्पॉन्सिबल होता है उसकी क्वांटिटी जो है इसमें 50% होती है. यूज होता है स्टूडेंट्स रैपिड हार्डनिंग सीमेंट का रिजिड पेवमेंट, कोल्ड वेदर, फैब्रिकेशन वर्क. बट दिस सीमेंट इज नॉट यूज्ड इन मास कंक्रीट वर्क. मास कंक्रीट वर्क में जो है रैपिड हार्डनिंग सीमेंट का जो यूज नहीं किया जाता. स्पेशल कंडीशन इट इज यूज्ड व्हेन फॉर्म वर्क इज टू बी रिमूव अर्ली फॉर रीयूज। होमवर्क जल्दी हटाना है, किस लिए? वापस उपयोग करने के लिए। इस सिचुएशन में अपन रैपिड हार्डनिंग सीमेंट का जो है यूज करते हैं। नेक्स्ट, एक्स्ट्रा रैपिड हार्डनिंग सीमेंट। इन एक्स्ट्रा रैपिड हार्डनिंग सीमेंट वी ऐड इन रैपिड हार्डनिंग सीमेंट 2% calcium chloride which is act as accelerator. The most important fact of this cement must be used within 20 minutes from mixing to compaction. Use of extra rapid hardening cement is very cold weather, construction and repair work. Next, student, sulfate resisting cement, which code is IS 1233. C3A is less than 5% and C3S 40%. Initial setting time, final setting time, fineness same as wooden Portland cement, which is 30 minutes, 60 minutes and 225 meter square per kg respectively. Use of sulfate resisting cement, canal lining, seawater. Okay students, after that our next type of cement, super sulfate cement, code IS 6909. C3 is less than 3.5% and expansion in Lichetelier apparatus is 5 mm. Use of super sulfate cement is high sulfate attack area and where temperature below 40 degree centigrade. Okay. Next, Portland sludge cement, code IS 255. Sludge content 25 to 65%. IST means initial setting time, final setting time and soundness same as ordinary Portland cement. Use mass concrete work such as dam, retaining wall. So where we write some note. First one is fly ash is obtained from thermal power plant. Second, sludge is obtained from manufacturing of pig iron. More C3A, more sulfate attack. Next, Portland pozzolana cement, which code is 1489. Pozzolanic material, mineral admixture such as rice husk, fly ash, metakaolin and surki. In this cement, the quantity of pozzolanic material is 10 to 25% by mass of Portland pozzolana cement. In this cement, quantity of C3 is less and C2S is more. Heat of hydration is also less. Use of Portland pozzolana cement in mass concrete work. Special fact of this cement: pozzolanic materials has poor cementing value, but when it reacts with lime, then provides cementing property. Next, low heat cement, IS 12600. Initial setting time 60 minutes, final setting time 600 minutes. C3A not greater than 3% and C2S is equal to 46%. This cement has lower rate of development of strength. Use of low heat cement is in mass concrete work. Important fact of this cement: its rate of gaining strength is lower than that of OPC. Hence, it required a longer curing period, whereas RSC required minimum curing. Next, quick setting cement. The quick setting cement is also known as gypsum-free cement. Initial setting time 5 minutes and final setting time 30 minutes. Different quantity of gypsum is reduced. Small amount of aluminum sulfate is added, which acts as an accelerator. Use of this cement in running water, still water and free water. The students' fact of this cement is quick setting cement set quickly but not harden quickly. Next, hydrophobic cement. We use hydrophobic agent in the cement 0.1 to 0.5% of cement weight. Hydrophobic agents are added in the cement that they form a thin film on it. For example, hydrophobic agent is stearic acid, naphthenic acid, oleic acid, etc. Hydrophobic cement also features greater water resistance and water impermeability. The transportation or storage of hydrophobic cement is not affected by the moisture. This is most important factor. White cement. This cement is known as iron oxide free cement. Coloring agent or pigment in colored cement is 5 to 10%, but 0% in white cement. Students, iron oxide is less than 1%. This cement costlier than ordinary Portland cement. In white cement, sodium aluminum ferrite is added instead of iron oxide, which is called cryolite. Sometimes this is a directly question put up from white cement. What is cryolite? Cryolite is sodium aluminum ferrite which is added instead of iron oxide. Hunter scale or ISI scale is used for checking the whiteness of this cement. Here some pigments which are used in white cement for make color cement. First one is chromium oxide which give green color, cobalt which give blue color, titanium dioxide which give white color, and manganese dioxide which give brown and black color. Manufacturing of this cement by pure white chalk, iron oxide free clay. Use of white cement and color cement in ornamental work, floor work, swimming pool, etc. Next, air retaining cement and waterproof cement, and last, masonry cement. Students, here we discuss types of cement. After that, we discuss testing of cement. In next lecture, we discussed on testing of cement, which is two types: field testing of cement and laboratory testing of cement. Okay. Thanks for watching.